In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an admin team member from Pipedrive CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to confirm, so you can safely remove admin access for someone who no longer needs it. Let's start from inside your Pipedrive account. First, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or your company logo. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the account menu. In this drop-down, you'll find several options related to your account and settings. From this list, choose the option labeled Manage Users. This is where you control who has access to your Pipedrive workspace and what level of permissions they have. Once the Manage Users page opens, you'll notice different sections or tabs along the top. Make sure you're on the tab labeled Users. This tab shows you a full list of everyone who currently has access to your Pipedrive account, including regular users and admins. Now scroll through the list and locate the admin team member you want to remove. Take a moment here to double-check that you've selected the correct person, especially if several users have similar names. When you find the right admin, look over to the right-hand side of their row. You should see an option labeled Deactivate. Click on Deactivate for that specific user. This action does not immediately delete all their data from your account. Instead, it removes their ability to log in and use Pipedrive. Their past activities, such as deals, notes, and emails, typically remain in the system and stay associated with their name, so your records are preserved. After you click Deactivate, Pipedrive will ask you to confirm this action. You'll see a confirmation message or pop-up that says something like Deactivate User. This is your final checkpoint to ensure you're deactivating the correct admin. If everything looks right, go ahead and confirm by clicking the button to deactivate the user. Once confirmed, that admin team member will no longer have access to your Pipedrive CRM, and their status will be updated in the Users tab. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can keep your Pipedrive account secure and make sure only the right people have admin access.